So what do you really need to pack for a cold weather expedition cruise? Aside from casual clothing to wear in the evening, we've put together a list of essential items that you'll need to throw in your suitcase. The first thing you'll need is a polar parka. Many of the cruise liners provide a free parka, and it's often yours to take home at the end of the voyage. However, it's important to check this before you set off. If you do have to buy your own parka, make sure it's breathable, waterproof, and has good pockets that you can get into with your gloves on. Breathability is essential, as this clever technology allows moisture or perspiration to escape outwards through the layers, whilst at the same time preventing rain or saltwater spray from penetrating from the outside. Going ashore regularly in a Zodiac or inflatable boat, you will find yourself stepping out into shallow water just to get ashore. So calf-length rubber boots are essential. It's best to go for insulated boots, but if you don't have insulation, good socks will make all the difference. Once ashore, it's best to avoid anything with narrow gaps between a deep tread, or you may spend your evenings cleaning penguin muck out of the soles of your boots. Some ships provide free rubber boots and others provide an option to hire them. In either case, that will save you valuable weight and space in your luggage, but it's critical that you check that before you set off. You'll be going ashore regularly in a Zodiac or inflatable boat, so good overtrousers are essential to protect you against the saltwater spray. Go for something breathable and waterproof, and with knee-length zips so you can get your overtrousers on and off without removing your boots. Also, don't be tempted to go for something complicated like salopettes, which have bib and braces, which will make them really difficult to get on and off. Warm, thin base layers are essential. The golden rule here is to stay away from anything with cotton in it. That will only retain moisture next to your skin, leaving you damp and uncomfortable. Instead, go for technical outdoor fabrics, which are designed to wick moisture away from the skin and out through the outer layers. Look for smart wool, merino wool, or any other recognised outdoor or mountaineering brand. These fabrics also dry very quickly, so it makes them much easier to hand wash them and hang them up to dry. Fleece will provide all the warmth you need. Go for tops with a high neck to keep the wind out. But always check that the zip is covered so it doesn't irritate your chin when it's zipped up to the top. Look for something with a chest pocket that's easy to access. That will allow you to keep your camera, phone or batteries close to the warmth of your body. Cold feet can be the difference between a dream day and a nightmare. So be kind to your feet and invest in quality socks. The same rules apply here. Stay away from cotton and go for technical fabrics. Merino wool, smart wool, fleece or polyester fabrics, and again look for recognised outdoor brands. You will need to take 2 pairs of gloves. A heavyweight pair of ski gloves and a lighter pair that you can wear whilst you're using your camera. It's worth bearing in mind that there are a range of specialist photography gloves which are carefully designed to be worn whilst using a camera. A warm hat that covers your ears is essential. Again, go for quick drying, lightweight, technical fabrics. A warm neck gaiter or buff will keep out the icy breeze and add a touch of welcome snugness when it's pulled up over your chin or mouth. Sunglasses are an option that are easily overlooked, but leave these behind at your peril. The sun is at its strongest and the ozone layer at its thinnest in these areas. And this, combined with the unrelenting reflection of ice, snow and seawater, makes for a tiring and potentially damaging environment for your eyes. So always pack 2 pairs of sunglasses in case you break or lose one pair. And always make sure you go for glasses marked as category 3, which offers additional protection from UV and visible light. For the same reasons, it's important to pack and to wear sunscreen. The sun is much stronger than you think, even on cloudy days, so we recommend factor 50. You will be witness to some of the most beautiful scenery you've ever seen, and surrounded by an array of amazing wildlife. So our advice is take the best possible camera you can afford. Battery life is short in colder weather, so be sure to take plenty of batteries and don't forget the charger. As you'll be taking your camera and other gear ashore in a Zodiac or inflatable boat, you can rest assured it will be exposed to saltwater spray. So it's important that you take with you a waterproof dry bag to carry your gear in. Finally, there will be plenty of time for reading. But conventional books take up far too much space and weight. So make sure you take with you some kind of electronic reading device and download all your reading material before you leave. So there you have it. We've given you a few ideas of what you need to take with you on a polar expedition cruise. But if you want to know a bit more, we've put together a downloadable packing list with a few recommendations and suggestions. The address is down below in the description. Simply head to our website and download it for free.